We're in a really warm climate, so I thought I'll show you guys some tips and the gear that I bring for warm weather trekking. I want to start to mention my backpack. This is the Keb 52. I chose this one because it's very adjustable in the back. Adjustable top lid, so you can fit your tent as you can roll it up or get it up and down. Another great thing about the Keb 52 is you have access from the bottom as well. So when I arrive, I take out the tent and then I have my sleeping gear down here. So if I flip the bag over, I have a comfortable place to sit, and I know that I will not crush any of the other gear that I bring with me. And I use the Obisco View 2. I use this mainly for two reasons. One is obviously the great view that you get from this tent. The second part is the great ventilation. So when you get this up, you can open it up and really get the airflow going. In the top lid, I keep smaller miscellaneous items. I have a buff cap. When it gets dark around here, it gets really dark. So keep a headlamp and keep an extra set of batteries here, because you never really know when they're gonna run out or somebody else might need them. So good tip to have that. Other than that, I have my toiletries here. Got the long spoon up here as well. So when I stop to eat, I eat the freeze-dried food and get this out. All right, in the main outer pocket here, I keep an extra pair of socks so I can change socks during the day. And then I have a towel as well. You might be able to get to a shower. Could be really nice to have a small packable towel there. And then really important item that I don't want to have too far down in the pack. This is the med kit. So keep it easily accessible. On the outside here, I have a 1 liter bottle. Use this for drinking, and it's also easy when you want to boil water for cooking. On a trek like this, it will get warm, you will get sweaty. It's really nice to have a camelback or something like that where you can get to the water really quick and you can walk and drink at the same time. You don't need to stop. When I open, on this side, I got food. Quickly accessible, so I don't need to open up the whole pack and dig for things. I have my kitchen here. Continuing through the pack, I have my outer layer. This is the Obisco Midsummer Jacket. Very ventilating. Next up, when I'm trekking, I use as little clothes as possible. The lightweight, thin. Here we got the t-shirt that I use when I'm trekking. And here I use a lighter color, so I absorb as little heat as possible. And on the bottom, I use the Obisco Midsummer Shorts. Obviously lightweight, thin material here as well. And here you can see how I have it laid out. This is the Move With bag. The good thing about this one is that you can open it up completely and use it as a blanket instead of a sleeping bag, so you can ventilate during the night. It's not always dry season, so when it's monsoon season or it's raining really a lot, I use the poncho. I like that you can quickly just get it all over you and you still can breathe and move around. During the day, when you walk in and out of the jungle, I tend to use my hat when I'm out of the jungle and I'm in the sun. And when I'm in the jungle and it's shadow or shade, I take it off. Then when I go to sleep, I change clothes again so I get a fresh pair of clothes on. I just use the Keb long sleeve shirt. All right, guys, so this is a short summary of the things that I bring with me for warm weather trekking. Obviously, this can change varying on the situation or the time of year you're in, and if it's raining season or not. So the most important thing is to be able to adapt to the different situations that will occur. I hope this will help you, and I'll see you guys on the trail. Take care.